Dear viewers, the beauty of Tunisia and its people, the city of Carthage, and other places, the early Christian martyrs, male and female, accompany me on this trip.
Elissa, also known as Dado, is the legendary founder of Carthage, a major Phoenician city-state in ancient North Africa, now modern-day Tunisia. According to myth, she was the princess of Tyre, in present-day Lebanon, and fled her tyrannical brother, King Pygmalion, after he murdered her husband, the wealthy priest Asibus, or Sikius. She led a group of followers across the Mediterranean, arriving in Tunisia around 814 BC, according to Timaeus of Tauromenium. The most famous legend surrounding her founding involves a clever trick. She asked local inhabitants for land, and was told she could have as much as could be enclosed by a single oxide. In a stroke of ingenuity, she cut the hide into extremely thin strips, tied them together, and used them to encircle a hill, later named Bursa, meaning oxide in Greek, establishing the core of the new city. While her historicity remains debated, Elissa is portrayed as a powerful, intelligent, and strategic leader. Elissa's legacy endures in Tunisia, where she is celebrated as a national symbol of resilience and independence. A 2006 Tunisian banknote featured her image, and her story continues to inspire cultural and historical reflection, especially in discussions about Carthage's founding and its complex identity.